This demonstration video is for our impression band ring.
When you place an order, you'll receive an impression wax kit. Inside, you'll find 3 wax pieces, numbered preference stickers, baking paper, a card explaining our price guarantee, a ring sizer, return post bag, and a return card. For this style, you must take your impressions within the printable, thickened area of the wax, as outlined on your return card. Before you begin, make sure everyone is ready, as the wax heats and cools quickly. Wave your lighter evenly across the surface of the wax, and once it warms and develops a wet, glazed finish, press gently but promptly. You can capture multiple impressions on the face of this ring. Each impression must be taken one at a time. If you're unhappy with an impression, wait at least 1 minute before reheating and trying again. Your wax will be carefully refined back to the original ring shape, so don't be concerned if your print spills over the edge. The same process applies when taking impressions with knuckles or pets, although we recommend having at least 2 people present with pets. Use the ring sizer, adjusting it to fit comfortably over your knuckle. Your size is the letter the arrow points to. As this is a wider, chunkier ring, if you're between sizes, choose the larger size. Fill out the entire return card and place the waxes back into their containers. And pack up and return everything using the included packaging. Your wax impression is then used to create your finished piece in your choice of solid precious metal. We'll also store your reserve waxes, giving you the option to create an additional piece in the future without having to retake your prints.